Are you looking for the best blankets? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best blankets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bedsure Sherpa Fleece Blanket. This blanket is made from polyester, which gives it that plush feel. It has a reversible design that we love with 2 different GSMs. How blankets are typically measured, grams per square meter. On one side, there's a 220 GSM velvety smooth flannel, and on the other, there's a fluffy 260 GSM Sherpa. This is less than our best overalls 400 GSM, it's pretty thick, but nonetheless quite warm. Although the material isn't particularly dense, it's not the most breathable option on this list. Its polyester construction and double-layered design contribute to that, but we still think it has that snuggle factor. We're impressed with how well this blanket resists stains, and it's impressively easy to launder. Post-wash, the blanket is still really soft, and the color remains vibrant. However, it did snag during our abrasion test, which is worth noting if you have pets who like to claw. Sizes: throw, twin, queen, king. Material: microfiber, faux shearling care, machine wash, tumble dry. Number 2. Best Waffle. The bowl and branch waffle bed blanket fits that bill. The textured material is a breathable weave that allows ample airflow. It has a light to medium weight, but don't expect to warm up too much underneath. It's subtly warm and ideal for layering. While testing, we kept this out as a statement blanket, alternating between the couch and the foot of the bed. We also really like the satin-like border, which adds to its overall style. It's made from organic cotton, which we expect to get even softer over time. However, it's not as plush as other options on this list, especially given the textured surface. This option also performed admirably during our stain test, with only a faint coffee spot remaining. That said, the material is quite prone to snagging due to the nature of the weave. However, in our experience, the textured surface hides imperfections well. Size: twin, full/queen, king/cal. King. Material: organic cotton care, machine wash, cold and tumble dry. Number 3. Bear Home Microplush Fleece Blanket. Many people on our team have tested this plush blanket over the years, and we all agree that this blanket is luxuriously plush. No matter the season, the Bear Home Microplush Fleece Blanket is a constant companion that moves from the bed to the couch. We especially love it for movie nights. The fleece is scratch resistant, so pet claws aren't a problem. It hasn't pilled, snagged, or shown wear over a year. We noticed some lint coming off of this blanket when we first got it, but it's not a deal breaker whatsoever. The 300 GSM fabric is drapey, yet thicker and warmer than a cotton knit blanket. We enjoy using it in the summer with air conditioning as well as to stay warm in the winter. Sizes: throw XL, kid, twin, full/queen, king, giant, baby. Material: polyester microfiber care, machine wash, tumble dry.